Hey folks, Will Owen here with JetBoatPilot.com. On today's video, we're going to do an installation for you, showing you how to put the new KickStand product on your Thrust Vector X if you have an older version of Thrust Vector X. This same procedure will apply to Thrust Vector Wake. However, Thrust Vector Wake is going to require you to drill a hole for the threaded fastener. You'll have to get one of our templates from us. We can provide that through email for you in a PDF. I'm going to show you real quickly here what's going to come in your kit, and we're going to talk about how to assemble. We'll be assembling on a standard thrust vector, the new thrust vector today, but the process works the same on your Thrust Vector X or Thrust Vector Wake. First off, you'll see down here, if you want to bring the camera in tight here, we've got the Thrust Vector kickstand body. We have a screw, a spacer standoff, a spring, and also a threaded fastener. We've got some blue Loctite and a 3/32 Allen wrench, which we will be providing with you for you with the kit. And let's jump right into it real quick here. First off, what I want to show you is that this fin already has the hole drilled. You will, on a Thrust Vector X model, have to drill one little tiny, bring the camera in tight, 1/16 inch hole just north of this 1/4 inch hole. If you see how that is, it hasn't got to be super precise, but just right about in that spot there. It may be a 32nd north of that hole, just for the spring to go into. All right, so you are going to make one little hole drill there for that. One tool that you will need to have to make this installation easy will be just a simple pair of vice grip pliers. You can also use a benchtop vise if you have that, or some other way to press this fastener in, but you got to press this little barbed fastener into the fin. What I'll do is first is I'll take the fin with the pocketed cutout facing up. We'll place this fastener over on top of that 1/4 inch hole, and now we're going to adjust our vice grip pliers just about, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or so when they're closed. And then we're going to take the fin, pick it up. We'll take the pliers, press, and just apply even pressure. When you're done, you should have a nice smooth profile like you see here. All right, does not stick out the other side. So now we've got that pressed in. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our spring, the short leg of the spring. It's going to go into the hole that we drilled, the little 1/16 inch hole, like this. We're going to take the body. We're going to take it and lay it on the leg. See how that lines up? So once that's laid in place, it's going to lay flat like that. We're now going to take our screw and our standoff. Going to take some blue Loctite. I would recommend just a drop or two of this stuff. Goes a long way. Once we're done there, we're going to take it, put it in the hole like this. We're going to rotate it around like this. And then what I want to do is take it and begin to thread in the screw into that threaded void there, making sure obviously that the spring is in the hole, which it is. Once we get it tight, we're going to give it a little snug, just a little snug. If you turn it too hard, you're going to spin that fastener. All right, now we're going to test it. It's good. This is going to dry. It takes it, I don't know, half hour, an hour, and it'll be completely dry. It's not going to want to come off once you've got this on. The Loctite's going to sit up, and it's not going to want to disassemble. So if for whatever reason you want to take it off, it is permanent. It's not coming off. So now you can see how it looks in operation. This is what you should have. It's currently deployed now. Whenever we let it down, it's going to snap back to the closed position. And then we want to deploy it, lift up, press down, and then it traps itself. If you forget, when you take off from the island or wherever you are, and you forget to drop your fins back down, water flow coming out of the nozzle is going to hit the cross member. It'll lift it up, and it's going to cause it to drop. So you don't have to worry about if you forget to return it back to the lowest position, you'll be fine. So that's the installation for the new kickstand for Thrust Vector X, Thrust Vector Wake, and of course this does come standard on the new Thrust Vector. We appreciate you watching this video today. We hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, JetBoatPilot.com. If you like the video, what you've seen, click the subscribe button below, click the like. Please share with your friends, and we appreciate you watching this video today. Have a great day.